Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Parental Controls to create a 4-digit PIN. Set a PIN you will remember and do not share it with children. After you set the PIN, toggle Parental Controls on to restrict app installs and purchases. Use the same menu to disallow access to the Amazon App Store entirely if you prefer. Confirm the changes by exiting Settings and attempting a purchase to ensure the device prompts for the PIN every time. Open the Amazon App Store app and tap the menu icon in the top corner. Choose Settings, then Password Protection for purchases to set purchase controls. Change the option to every purchase instead of every 30 minutes to force repeated verification. Enter your Amazon account password when prompted to confirm the setting change. This step ensures every attempt to buy apps or make in-app purchases prompts for authentication before any charge can occur. Open Settings and choose Profiles and Family Library to add an Amazon Kids profile. Create a child profile and set age limits to automatically filter apps and content. In the profile settings, disable web browsing and turn off in-app purchasing to prevent charges. Enable parental approval so any purchase request sends a prompt to your parent account for confirmation. Exit to the home screen and switch to the child profile to verify no purchasing options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.